Good day, my name is Juan Sebastian. I am a student of agronomy. The story with which I am going to tell is a pleasant story. A month ago, I traveled to Cartagena, the Indies, for work reasons. It is a beautiful place. There, I meet Irish girl. Her name is Micaela, and she is a very funny person. She is in Colombia to learn speak Spanish and practice sports of sea. On the day with me, he invited me to dinner with a couple of German friends for this. Tim and his wife are really impressive people. We were having a dinner and having a few birds. She is Micaela and she is her friend. Sea sports. She is Micaela in the ocean. Birds and eat of this day. I really hope we will see each other again. Thanks for the attention.